Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty witnessed a bounce from 24,000 exactly from the levels we mentioned in our audio note yesterday. And at one point, it was up 24,300 and quite comfortably. Later on, we witnessed some profit booking and it closed with minor losses, or one can even say it closed flat. We are seeing resistance at higher levels. On the other hand, lower levels are giving support. This is a classical case of range-bound movement where Nifty is finding strong support around 24,000, where the put writers are getting more and more comfortable by the day. On the other hand, 24,500 is acting as a strong deterrent, and the call writers are getting extremely comfortable selling options in this particular strike. Same is the case with Bank Nifty. It's been moving between 51,200 to 50,200. So this 1,000 point range is grinding a lot of market participants, and as long as this range is not taken out, it's futile to actually play for a level. But any declines in Nifty towards 24,050 spot can be bought into, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 24,500. Another interesting point to note is with the fall yesterday and again the bounce that was seen, it is showing early signs of formation of a higher low. The previous low was around 20,815-820, and now we are seeing a higher low. This is early signature of a trend reversal. But again, it's not correct to anticipate a trend reversal. We need to wait for confirmation, which will come once it gives a move above 24,540. And that is why this 24,500 becomes a pivotal point. For Nifty Bank, it's more of a grinding that we are seeing. It's forming what we know as a triangle pattern. The breakouts of this will be around 400. A close above this can give a very strong push of 1,500 points. Till the time that does not happen, any fall towards 51,200 can be bought into, keeping the stop loss at 250 points and playing for 1,500 points fifth upside. And once there's a breakout, another 1,500 points upside can be seen. Even though Nifty was up yesterday at one point, around 200 points, the market breadth remained muted. I would not call as an extremely weak one, but at that point in time, the advance decline ratio was slightly tilting towards declines. And as the day progressed, it even became worse. So, as I always say, don't play for bottom yet. There's some more correction that can be expected. Play for a bounce. US markets closed on a flattish note, give flattish point towards 25 points start as we speak. So, in all likelihood, we'll open on a flat positive note. At the current juncture, nothing much to add, but if it's giving an intraday correction, I think that can be again a good sign to buy Nifty index. Dollar index slowly and steadily is coming towards 105.7. We have been talking about this factor for a while now, that as long as the 99.5 sustain, we may see a move. So from 99.5, it has moved towards 106. So this 6.5 point upside, this is significant in terms of the volumes that it garners. And that has resulted in correction in bullion markets. This is also, we discussed that a very strong dollar or a rising dollar generally results in some profit booking in gold as well as silver. Both are down, and it can also now try to spook the equity markets. Once it goes above 108, there's going to be a likely, I wouldn't call it panic, but likely reallocation of assets which may move out from equity to go to dollar index. So that is something one should keep cognizance of. FIs yesterday sold around 2,300 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 2,000 crores. It's just a data point. They have been sellers, and it's been, I think, one of the longest streak of continuous selling that we are seeing by FIs. And if this again augments and it goes around 8,000, 10,000 crores worth of selling in a day, that can result in fresh swing lows being made across the indices. For today, as I said, use declines to add Nifty index. Do not be short at this point in time. unless it gives a close below 24,000 on hourly close, then it makes sense. Till the time any decline towards 24,050 is a buying opportunity. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.